As long as we're flying in the area of the hold, we're protected from the ground around.
Radiant 256, descent 3000 feet, cleared the VORDME approach runway 30, report airbus 3000 feet.
3,000 feet, and we vacate the hold, we'll go in 3,000.
So 3,000 feet set, retard MCP speed, we exit hold, level off.
We're now exiting the hold, so we had a change in the map.
Radiant 107, final conditions for the next aircraft.
We're just making the 180 to come back nervous.
Just keep in mind, in case of ground, that will be Toga, flaps 15, positive rate, gear up, and LNAV.
Roger. Glide path alive.
Get down. Flaps 15.
Mid check. That 15.
Speedbug 152. Glide path capture. Go on altitude 3,000 feet set.
Check.
1,000.
1,000 feet.
Runway is now wet.
Approaching minimums.
Burn inside.
Minimums.
Landing.
Check.
Autopilot off. Auto.
Approaching 30.
Reset flight director.
500.
Director sound.
Set Speedbug 137.
400.
77.
Three hundred.
FM.
200.
No,
100.
Ok, reçu.
50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brake up. 2 versus green.
Was
the brake is out.
1,500 meters remaining.
Taxi via Charlie, stand number 6.
That approach was fantastic. Yes, very nice. Interesting, and welcome back to Shido.